Well, you need some energy. You're starting to train, doing the winter sports. Let's get some Powerball going. Date Powerball. We're going to do 3 types today. I have a bunch of recipes for those things if you're tired of eating your normal Power Bar. And then, as you know, they take so much water. You may as well have some little Power ball like this and you can eat them up as you go. I put them in some wax paper, roll them up like a candy, and I can eat them as I'm going. Don't even have to stop with that. So let's get started with the 3 types that we're going to do. Always starts with the dates. Obviously, you'll need 3 cups of dates for that. If you put them in the water, it's a lot easier to work with the dates and then crush them, or you can eat them on the stove. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some crushed walnuts. I'm doing a bit of lemon to give it the lemon taste. If you want, half a lemon's normally good enough. If you really love the lemon, you can put a full lemon, but that should taste enough. I'm doing again the protein powder because I love protein, some crushed oats, and then obviously some crushed chia seed. Chia seed is power. So 1 scoop again for this recipe of dates, some crushed oats, doing some almond butter, and then the powder and the chia seeds. That's really all she writes for this one, with the 2 scoops of cacao, and then that gives you that little chocolate taste. That one is also really, really good. It's a bit more dry. You can put less cacao if you want, but it's great, tasting great. And what I do is I package them up, so I never know which one I'm going to get out of all of them. Like 3 cups of dates like that will give you about 25 Powerballs, so that's good enough for 2 people for a week, no problem. The next one is going to be crushed almond, chia seed, again, key to success. Protein powder, love the protein, and then the crushed oats. And on top of that, I'm doing some coconut oil because that gives it all the taste in the world. And then the last ingredient for this one is going to be cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I'm only putting 1 tablespoon. You can probably put more. So these are the 3 Powerball dates that I use. I love them. I hope you guys love them too. And I have a lot more coming. Thanks.